Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Respected Chair, honorable guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you for having here. Today we are very happy because we are in the celebration of ZQ Fest. On this occasion, I would like to say some words about our Holy Quran. Dear, Quran is the words of Allah. So we can turn the pages of Quran. If we want to speak with Allah, it can change our life. The important quality of Quran is its magic attracting of heart. The miracles of wonders. The miracles of also Arabic literature. You might have fed up with my words. I don't like to continue. Let me conclude my words. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.